Are you looking for the best and cheapest SMM services in the world? Look no further than nsboostbd.com. With years of experience and expertise in the social media marketing industry, nsboostbd.com is the go-to SMM panel for all your social media needs. From increasing your followers to boosting your engagement, nsboostbd.com has got you covered. Why? Choose nsboostbd.com for your SMM needs. nsboostbd.com stands out from the competition for a number of reasons. First and foremost, they offer the best prices on the market, making it easy for anyone to afford top-quality SMM services. Whether you're a small business owner looking to grow your online presence or a social media influencer trying to increase your following, nsboostbd.com has packages that are perfect for you. 1. Quality services. nsboostbd.com prides itself on providing high-quality SMM services that deliver real results. You can trust that your social media accounts are in good hands with their team of experts. 2. Fast delivery. Need a quick boost in followers or engagement? nsboostbd.com offers fast delivery times, so you can see the results of their services in no time. 3. Excellent customer support. Have a question or concern about your SMM services? nsboostbd.com has a dedicated customer support team that is available to assist you 24/7. 4. Wide range of services. Whether you need Instagram followers, Facebook likes, or YouTube views, nsboostbd.com offers a wide range of services to meet your specific social media needs. Getting started with nsboostbd.com is easy. Simply visit their website, browse their services, and choose the package that best suits your needs. Once you've made your purchase, sit back and relax as nsboostbd.com works their magic on your social media accounts. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best and cheapest SMM services in the world, look no further than nsboostbd.com with their years of experience, expertise, and dedication to customer satisfaction. nsboostbd.com is the top choice for all your social media marketing needs. Visit their website today and take your social media game to the next level.